So here I am at EmbeddedWorld with SIGLENT's new SDM-4065A multimeter. This will be their next generation multimeter for desk applications. And it's surprisingly heavy, as you see here when I lift it up. And I'm not sure if they let me open it. May I open it? No, but may I unplug it at least? So let's unplug it at least to see what's on the back here. We've got the back. This is LAN interface, so it has a connection into the network. It's got its USB plugs. And what is this? Yeah, this is a scanner card.
This is a scan card, yeah.
So in theory, it will be able to be upgraded with a scanner. How many channels will it have?
Just depending, because it's a fixed channel for voltage, for ampere, and then it's different what you want to measure.
The scanner is not a general scanner, the scanner is fixed function.
Fixed functions.
That's still very neat. Here we've got this handle in the front, which is for pulling out to turn and reposition. And one thing which people who had the pleasure of playing with recent Danaia units will appreciate, the thing is relatively heavy to push. I mean, now I'm being a jackass, I'm pushing it really hard and it barely moves. The Danaia, on the other hand, you remember if you touch it, it like crawls over as if it hates you. So now let's plug it back in. It made a little farting sound. Now we push it, and now I'm gonna take control again. And it just came online. Meep! Takes a bit of time to boot up, but I killed it cruelly, so it needs some more time to start up than normal. A question: what's the operating system, the embedded one? It's Linux, no? And here we have the actual screen. And we have here this selector thingy. These buttons, they feel pretty solid. And what I like is, you see, you have a touch screen here, you can select the various functions. Here, for example, for selecting the various modes. Let's go for ACI. I didn't do that. And then here we've also got a full menu of options. Here we go for menu, we can go home. Okay, that changes here at the bottom. Then here we've got a few utilities, and then finally a help screen, which also gives us these wiring diagrams here. And so, schafft der Histogramm auch? Can it also do histograms and tables for the display? If I want to make a histogram. Here we have a maths option, we have some statistics, which we can turn on and off. Can it also make a histogram or not?
It can also make a histogram. We only need to find where it is, because it's also display. 1 second.
Histogram, here we have it. Here we have histogram mode. Here we have a trend mode. Here we have a bar mode. This is a pretty neat piece of kit, all in all. Are there any other interesting functions which maybe you would like to demo?
Cannot demonstrate it, but there is also a web interface inside,
yes,
where you can connect it directly with a web browser to the PC and have also the screen on the PC when you need to have it.
That's a very neat machine. And you claim it will become available in April, officially.
In the middle of April, it will be officially launched to buy in Europe.
Then I say thank you so much. And this is another one of these yay capitalism moments. Banaya admittedly had the idea of the touchscreen multimeter, and now here we see SIGLENT coming with a better build, probably cheaper, probably more reliable unit. And as I say, the development of test equipment never ceases to amaze. Thank you.